I'm Chris. Welcome to our kitchen.
I'm Kristen.
And we are Keto in the Country.
This is your channel for smart, healthy, whole food recipes.
So, if a couple of you noticed, we took the month of December off, and it was much needed.
Yes.
But we're back, and this is the 1st of January, and so we probably have some new viewers looking to try keto, vowing to do keto, this new year. Was that a fly? And so for those viewers, we welcome you. We hope you find what you need with Keto in the Country. You can also visit our website, ketointhecountry.com. So if you're not one of our subscribers yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll get a recipe every time we come out with one. And today we have something, if you're just beginning keto, that you might miss. Today we're making cheese biscuits.
Don't go away. As always, we want to thank our subscribers. You guys mean the world to us and you keep us motivated.
And we read every comment.
Yes. So if you would like to check out our membership account, we have recipes, we have little videos. It can all be found on our website through our Patreon.
Very lofty goals for Patreon.
Yes.
It's $4 a month, so we hope you'll join us.
Yes.
It's things you'll see just on the Patreon account.
Right.
Okay, so to the cheese biscuits.
Yes.
These are delicious. But for those of you who have never cooked with almond flour before,
right.
Just know that they're not going to be fluffy. Nothing you make with a nut flour is going to be fluffy, but these biscuits are just as good.
Yes, they are moist, they have great flavor, and they're so versatile. You can keep them on hand, they keep really well. You can make a breakfast sandwich with them. You can have them with some butter and jam.
Which is my favorite.
Yes, and speaking of jam.
You have to use our jam.
Yes, it's delicious. It's a triple berry jam, and you want to try this.
And if you don't, just use a sugar-free jam.
Yes.
So enough of that, and let's just show you how to make it. And it's very, very, very quick to make, by the way.
Yes.
I think we're probably talking more than it actually takes to make the biscuit. So here we go. Okay, so that's how easy it was. It had, 6 ingredients?
Yes, and it only takes about 15 minutes to cook. The prep time is like 0, so these are one of those recipes that it's just so easy to make, and they're great to have on hand. They're really a lifesaver.
Also, if you are new to keto, don't eat 6 of these because almond flour can mess with some people's tummies.
Right.
It doesn't mine. I could probably eat the whole batch.
It does mine.
It does Kristen's, and
Yes.
it does my son or her husband. So.
Yes. So you're going to want to drink a lot of water anyways, and that will help, but just don't go overboard.
Yeah, don't go overboard. Try to keep your keto vegetables, grass-fed meat, and berries for your fruit. Okay, anyhow.
We are going to do the taste test. So if you are new, you probably aren't used to this, but this is our favorite part of the show.
Yeah.
I have lathered this in butter, and I'm so excited to try it.
Because we can have butter. Weight Watchers, eat your hearts out. I mean, who can have this? This would be your whole meal. You would be done for the day on Weight Watchers. Nothing against Weight Watchers.
We say this all the time, but this recipe is fantastic.
You guys, if you want to hear something different after we taste, you're going to have to Google us some phrases that we can use for deliciousness.
Although we have whipped out a thesaurus to see what other adjectives we can find.
And clearly it hasn't helped. But these are delicious.
These are delicious. And Christy's secret ingredient with the sour cream is key.
It makes a big difference.
Yes. So as always, thank you guys so much for joining us. And we hope that you will be back next time.
Yes. We'll be back next week and we'll see you later.
Yes. Bye. Cut me there. I always do that shit. Why do I have to jump in and do that? I like that lipstick.
This one?
Yeah.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Oh my gosh.
I need to get some more.
We offer a ton of great, I can't.
Okay.
Do you know what do they offer?